Hello, it's Nurse Sarah Barker here, and today I've got my Doterra hat on. I'm a Doterra wellness advocate, as well as my nursing. So I just want to talk through about the Family Essentials kit. If you want to know about the individual oils in here, please join my Facebook group, which is Nurse Sarah Barker Essential Oil Friends. There's a video on each of the individual oils that you get with this kit. Some of mine are missing because it's well used. I've had it for over a year now. So this is what we call an enrolment kit. So basically it's got all of the family essential oils in there, and it's much more cost effective than buying them individually. It's £122 at the moment to buy this qualifying kit, and that allows you wholesale price of anything that you want from the Doterra website. You can also, if you were interested, have a business account where you can refer and share oils with other people and get paid commission for your referrals to tell people about these wonderful oils. So this kit, when I bought it, just came as it is. Now it comes with a to Z guide of essential oils and some beadlets. So you get On Guard beadlets, which are capsules that you can take with the essential oils in them, and also peppermint beadlets, so great for refreshing your breath, giving you a little bit of an energy boost during the day, and also boosting your immune system with the On Guard beadlets. So if I go through the oils that are in this, so this comes in this sleeve and explains a little bit about it. So we have lavender in here. These are 5ml bottles. Lavender is known for its ability to calm the nervous system and soothe skin. We've got lemon, which cleanses and purifies, and it promotes a feeling of positive mood. So a lot of the citrus oils are in the uplifting blends and the chia blend, so it really does lift your mood up and make you feel a lot happier if you're feeling a little bit down or lagging in energy. We have peppermint. Again, it helps with stomach upsets, but again it can help with an energy lift. It can make you feel less tired during the day. We've got deep blue, which is great for muscle tension. It's an actual blend of several different oils. We've got wintergreen, camphor, peppermint, ylang ylang, helichrysum, blue tansy, German chamomile and osmanthus. So this is good for pain and muscle aches and can be used with creams and lotions. Melaleuca, which is more commonly known as tea tree, supports the immune function and purifies the skin, and it can help with if you get the odd spot or whatever, put some melaleuca on there and that certainly does sort it out. Frankincense helps with cellular health, and it's also renowned for its skin benefits and youthful benefits. Quite an expensive oil on its own. That would cost you £75 for a 15ml. So you definitely do get value for money in this kit. Oregano supports a healthy immune and respiratory function. It's a really potent antiviral, so it's great for the sort of autumn winter season when people start getting the coughs and the colds. It's brilliant for keeping those at bay. You can use it in cooking because yes, it's oregano, as would be used in cooking. I use it in my spaghetti bolognese, and yeah, it's brilliant for kids' ailments, warts, verrucas, you name it. Oregano is not all singing, all dancing oil. Digest Zen, which is star anise, peppermint, ginger, caraway, coriander, tarragon and fennel. Great for, as it says on the bottle, digestive system. So it's great if you get indigestion, heartburn, if you're feeling over full, if you've got trapped wind, anything like that. A drop under your tongue or in a glass of water. Brilliant for the digestive system. And last but certainly not least, one of my favourite smells, On Guard, which is brilliant. Like I say, it's an antiviral. It's a natural antibacterial, so it's great to use in place of alcohol gels and things like that are drying to the skin to protect yourself. It is known as the protective blend, and in there it smells absolutely gorgeous. It's wild orange, clove, cinnamon leaf, eucalyptus and rosemary, and it smells absolutely divine. And On God is in our hand washers. It's in the home cleaning products, which are also part of this amazing range. So yeah, so if you wanted to join with me and get one of these amazing kits, it's priced at £122 if you order through me, and you also get the book of knowledge with it, and you get 2 of the beadlets as well. So if you'd like to know any more about these fantastic products, please drop me a comment below, and also please join that Facebook group. It's Nurse Sarah Barker Essential Oils Friends. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.